Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The price of diamond varies directly as square of its weight. As square of its weight. Price of 9 decigrams diamond is $12,150. If diamond breaks into two pieces whose weights are in the ratio of 1:2, find the loss incurred. Now it's given that price of diamond is directly proportional to square of its weight. So let's see. Let W be weight of the diamond P be price of the diamond and K be constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality. So according to given condition, we have P is equal to KW square given. Okay. The price of 9 decigram of diamond is 12,150. So $12,150 equal to K into 9 square. So we can find constant of proportionality from this expression, from this equation. So we get K equal to 12150 divided by 81. This 9 square will go over here and divide. So that is, let's see, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 9 fives are 45, 0 divided by 9, and then we get 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45, 0. So we get constant of proportionality as 150. Now using this constant of proportionality, we can simply easily find the loss incurred. So let's see. If diamond breaks into two pieces in the ratio 1:2, so x plus 2x is going to be equal to 9. So we get 3x equal to 9 and thus we get x equal to 3. So the first piece, weight of first piece, weight of smaller piece is equal to 3 decigram and weight of the larger piece will be 2x, that is 2 into 3. Let's see. Weight of bigger piece will be equal to 2x equal to 6 decigrams. So what do we have here? Decigrams. So we have constant of proportionality. We have two weights. So we can simply find the price, individual price of both pieces. So for smaller piece, price equal to K into W square. So we have price equal to 150 into 3 square. So we have 150 into 9. So we have $1350. Price for smaller piece. Similarly, for bigger piece, price will be equal to KW square. So we have 150 into 6 square. So we have 150 into 36. So let's see, 0, 15 6 are 90, 15 3s are 45 plus 9 is 54. So we get $5,400. Therefore, P2, P1. Total price of two pieces equal to 1350 plus 5400. which is equal to, let's see, $6,750. Price of whole piece was equal to $1,250. So what will be the loss? Loss will be 1200 150 minus 6750. So that is equal to, let's see, 50 50 0 0. 11 minus 7 is 4 and 12 minus 7 is 5. So we get loss equal to $5,400. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option D.